if you like a good old-fashioned shrimp boil, but you don't have that big pot and that gas burner, we're going to do it right here in the oven. It's simple, it's delicious, and I'm fixing to show you how to do it. I'm Clint, and I like to cook, so let's get after it. First thing I'm going to do, I've got a bag of, they're called Little Reds. So I've taken a bag and opened these up, and I've gone ahead and rinsed them. So I'm going to put one bag of those in my pan. And what I like about these is they don't take very long to cook. So you can get them in there. This is going to cook in 45 minutes to an hour, guys. So it's going to be real quick, but it's going to be delicious. We're not leaving anything out here. Next thing I'm going to do is I've got 3 large onions that I've cut up in pieces about like that right there. I'm going to dump that in there. I've got some corn. And I just went and bought these because I didn't have anything fresh. So it's pre-cut, frozen. And I bought a 6-pack. So we're going to go ahead and we'll add those 6 pieces of corn in there to that. All right, next thing is I've got Hillshire Farm sausage. Got it cut up in chunks just about like that right there. Just one sausage. We're going to add that. All right, I've got about 20 cloves of fresh garlic. So I just peeled these, rinsed them off, and we're going to put that in here. Just spread them around. I love garlic. It brings a lot of flavor to this dish. You don't want to skip out on it. And they're real good to eat after you get done cooking them. All right, I've got 3 lemons that I've halved. And what I want to do is I just want to squeeze that juice in there, and then I'm just going to drop that lemon off in there. So we're going to squeeze that. This is a good time to have some gloves on, because if you've got a cut, it's going to let you know about it. I love shrimp boil. I love anything with shrimp, actually. But we used to cook them all the time camping. And it's just something about it, being out there in that camper and you're cooking this, and it's just like, man, it draws a crowd. I'm going to tell you. Sometimes you don't have enough to feed everybody. But we would actually cook them, and we'd have people come out while we were camping, and we would probably feed close to 20 people, if not more. Some people would just come by and see it and have to check it out. You know what I mean? So, all right, so we've got that in there. We're going to have 2 sticks of butter, and I've melted that, and I'm going to pour it in there. Oh man, this is going to be delicious. There we go. And that is unsalted, by the way. All right, now we're going to add a shrimp. I've got a 2-pound bag of frozen shrimp. I didn't have anything fresh around here, so. We're going to lay that in there like that, spread that around. And then I'm going to take that with my gloves, and I'm going to start kind of trying to coat everything with that butter the best we can. And what this is going to do, guys, is we're going to cover this. We're going to put it in the oven at 350 and it's basically going to steam everything. Just like cooking in water, boiling in water. It's basically steaming it, but you're doing it in the oven. All right. That looks pretty good. Everything's pretty well coated. And the last thing I'm going to add is Old Bay seasoning. I like to go heavy on this stuff. I like it. I like the flavor. I want it to taste like a good boil. This right here gives it some good flavor. As you can see, I put it on there pretty thick. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to toss that around, coat everything good. Whoop, had a sausage to get away from me. There we go. That looks pretty good. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all like shrimp bowls or crab bowls or whatever. Do you go camping? Do you like to have stuff while you're camping? I mean, to me, this right here is, when I go camping, we have to have one of these. And that's it. I mean, that is pretty much it, guys. So we're going to put some tin foil over the top of this, which I happen to have a piece right here. We're going to cover that up just about like that. I got the oven preheating at 350. So we're going to put this in there. In about 45 minutes, we're going to check it. I may stir it a little bit, but normally it'll be done. So we're going to give that about 45 minutes or so in the oven. We'll pull it out and check it. I let this cook for an hour. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to open it up and take a look at it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. God, the aroma just smells so good with that garlic and sausage and onion in there. And the spices, you can just see it laying on top of it. This is going to be delicious, I promise you. This is super easy. If you're tired of just the same old stuff all the time and you're ready to spice it up for the night, this right here is the way to do it. I hope you guys try this out. It's delicious. No mess to clean up when you're done. Scoop this stuff out. If you've got leftovers, we're probably not going to have leftovers. I enjoy cooking for you guys. I appreciate all your support. Thank you so much. You keep watching my videos. There's going to be a lot more. God bless you.